Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Gazebo Penthouse is defined by an overarching sense of restraint and minimalism. Retallack Thompson opened up the existing space to be connected to the views that surround the opportune location. Named after the gazebo-style building that it sits atop of, Gazebo Penthouse is located at the uppermost point of an established building within Potts Point. In need of modernization to enhance both livability and openness, the apartment became a sanctuary that contrasts the bustle of the streets below. With views that stretch out toward Sydney Harbour to the east and the CBD to the west, the interior is strongly connected to place. Exemplifying the outdoor lifestyle that Sydney is known for, cross-ventilation and indoor-outdoor connections are encouraged through added apertures. A nature-inspired palette dissolves the boundary to the environment and instills a calming atmosphere important to the owners. While the previous home felt dark and cut off from the neighborhood, the new light-filled spaces are the opposite. Warmth and texture are achieved through timbers and other natural materials, and it is through a careful restraint and attention to detail that each element is given an enduring timelessness. Blackbutt timber, cork, spotted gum and dark porcelain finishes reference Japanese design ideals, inspired by the owner's connection to the country.